Hi everyone, Andrea Vall here, co-author of Facebook Marketing All-in-One for Dummies and Wig-Wearing Comedian. And I am here to talk about something that really makes me mad, and that is Facebook ad placement. One of the things that's super frustrating is that Facebook hides the placement section a little bit when you're going to create an ad in your Facebook Ads Manager, and you can often end up wasting a lot of money in a placement you don't even know you're using. So for example, you think you're placing your ads on Facebook, you're actually putting them on Instagram or on the Audience Network, which what the heck is the Audience Network? It is sites off of Facebook. It's not even on Facebook at all. So you think you're advertising on Facebook, and you might be spending most of your budget on sites that are off of Facebook and not optimized the way you want them to be. So I'm on a mission to educate all people who are advertising with Facebook to help them find the edit placement section and get better results from your ads. So I'm going to attempt to share my screen. Oh, darn, it looks like I can't do that. Darn, I was thinking I was going to share my screen. It looks like I can't anymore. So I'm going to tell you how. Can I switch? No, dang it. I was thinking I could. Anyway, I'm going to tell you how to find it. When you're in the Ads Manager, and I'll link to a post that'll show you exactly where the screenshots are. So I'm going to describe it when you're in the Ads Manager, and then you'll see the screenshots. So you're going to be in the Ads Manager. You've created your campaign. You've selected an objective, and in the ad set area, that's where you get to the placements section. And the placements says edit or automatic placements. That's the big thing. And automatic placements are hiding all of the other places where you're going to select if you want your ad to show up there. And they're all checked by default. So that's frustrating. So that Instagram ads, you're advertising on Instagram, you're advertising on the Audience Network, you're advertising on Instant Articles, which is on Facebook, and that could be a site that you want to advertise on. You're advertising in Messenger. You might be advertising in Instagram Stories, and you don't even realize that. So make sure you select edit placements so that you can reveal all those choices. So that's the big message with that. And then the other thing you want to do is go back into your Ads Manager right now and look at your reports area and look at the breakdown report by placement as well. So you can see what's happened in your past ad campaigns and find out where your ads have been successful. Sometimes I find that Instagram does really well. Sometimes it's more the mobile news feed. Sometimes it's more desktop. And in general, I suggest that you break out, especially Instagram placement, into its own ad. So create a special ad just for Instagram so you can optimize it the way you want. You could still optimize the image and things like that if you had an Instagram and Facebook ad, but the frustrating thing is you're letting Facebook choose how much of your budget that you've selected will go to each of those platforms when you have multiple placements in one ad. So if you want to control that budget a little bit more and say, you know what, I want to spend $25 on Facebook ads and $25 on Instagram ads, you have to break those into two separate ad sets in order to control that budget. So take a look at your ads report, know where you're spending your money, but above all, always, always, always check edit placements. And I suggest I rarely advertise on the Audience Network because that is sites off of Facebook. And while I get really good cost per link click that way, I don't ever really see good results from the Audience Network. So it can skew your results a little bit where you think you're getting good results in terms of cost per click, but you're actually not getting the more engaged traffic that comes from Facebook or Instagram. So I typically will always uncheck Audience Network unless I'm trying for a much higher reach. So I'll put the link to the blog post where you can see exactly how to take a look at your placement section in your Facebook ads, and hope that was helpful. Thanks, everyone.